Hey, yo, it's a boy, Goli, and we're back again with another video. We're still at LFA Auto in Kempton Park, Bafethu. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. Let's not waste time. Tango, Bafethu. So yeah, Bafethu, we're starting off with the Polo, Polo Vivo, Bafethu. For the Kellys. Today we're doing it the stance way of it. Uh, Today's episode it's the stance way of it. I have a very special car for you. It's at LFA Auto of it in Kempton Park. So yeah, I'm going to start off with the bodywork. It has few scratches, although they are not too bad. But yeah, the paint is still fresh as you can see. Let me just, because there's a client buying a car, so yeah, let me just try and capture the side. See? Um, uh, the lighting, but yeah, as you can see, with it, it's still fresh. It's wrapped in Mercedes-Benz wheels. These are Mercedes-Benz. They are not too bad. They have like a few scratches, and they'll do with the polish for the for the lip, you know. They're wrapped in, it's a 205/40 17 inch roughly too. The car is I think it's static for those who love stands, you know. Yeah, so let's get on the inside and see the inside. So yeah, this is the inside. The interior is still fresh, perfect. Still very fresh. So as you can see, dashboard, the driver's seat, just this small thing, but not too bad. The carpet's still fresh. The kilometers are 233k on clock. Also has a radio, you know. I think it has sound because it was stands. This is the back side. This is the back side. The interior is still fresh, but as you can see, the door panel, the old school way. Front, it's electric. And the roof lining, it's still fresh, but as you can see. As you can see, nothing to fix, just a minor thing. So yeah, let me just show you the outside, the pricing. So yeah, so this is the price. It's going for 100,000 like K, 100K Bafethu. For me, the rating goes as far as it's a 9, just because of the minor things. Or let me just say 8, just because of I see the minor things you need to fix here and there, but overall the car is still fresh, still clean. Unfortunately, we can't start this one for you, but if you want to start it, you can come with the check and start it up. They'll start it up for you. So yeah, as you can see, Bafethu, it's a car, Bafethu. For those who love stunts, this car is for you. And fuel consumption, you know, fuel consumption is very low on this car. It's not too bad. You get two chow hands if you like hands. You know the story of VW must. So yeah, Bafethu, let's move on to the next one. So yeah, Bafethu, this is the next car. It's a Mark 1. For those who know, you know, my favorite car, Bafethu, Mark 1. I'm trying to get a better angle for y'all to see the cleanness of this car, but like it's very, very clean, like super clean, super clean Mark 1, but like let me just show you the backside. I don't know whether it's a Velo or City Sport or City Life or what, but yeah, let's get to it. It's a quarter window, you know. The paint job is still clean, still fresh. I don't think you have to do much on this. It's just a minor few things here, just, you know, and yeah, it's just a minor things. You don't have to do much. The paint job is still very neat. It's wrapped on BBS wheels, as you can see. They are still clean, still fresh. I don't think there's any cracks here or whatsoever. Let's check the tire size. It's 195/40, 17-inch. It's very nice rim, Mafetu. Very nice. Very nice, Mafetu. So check this out. Oh, very nice. The front. This car, although you know Mark 1s, you have to fix a bit, but then overall the car is still fresh, Mafetu. It also has hella lights. Hella lights. See? Still fresh. The grill, everything is still intact, Mafetu. Like with this car. We're gonna get inside real quick and see the inside. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so yeah, this is the inside. It's an old spec dashboard, you know, not a Velo one. Has a City Sport steering wheel. It's a 5-speed gearbox, manual. You know, the seats are still, the interior is still fresh, as you can see. No cracks, no whatsoever. Even the door panels. Also has a radio, a Pioneer radio. Even the passenger side, still fresh, as you can see. And also the carpet, still fresh. Still, very neat, like very fresh of it. Even the passenger side, as you can see. Even the roof lining. So yeah, Buffet too. Let's get to the rating part and the pricing. So I rate this car. Let me try and show you something. See, look. No need to fight. So, yeah, the pricing goes like it's 89K, Buffet too. 89K for those who have the budget. If you are complaining you're not the target market, so if you want this Mark 1, come to LFA Auto in Kempton Park. So yeah, I would rate this car a 7 because of some of the things you have to do if you are a what do they call them? Perfectionist. If you like to, you like your car to have no dents. So yeah, hence why I'm rating it a 7. But overall, the car is still fresh. So yeah, that is it for today's video, because this one was just a Stance edition, but there's still other cars here, as you can see. So I only did this 2 because of it's the Stance edition Buffet 2. So yeah, thank you. Hey, Buffet 2. So this is at the end of the video. Today we only did 2 cars. at LFA Auto in Campton Park, bafethu. It was a stance edition because I know some of my Pruelas want to. I think there's one of you who wants a stance car, so you all seen the specs, the interior, everything, bafethu. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one, bafethu. Hey, the sun is very hot. We are out.